Hello, hello. Good morning again for everyone. Hello, my chiquis. How are you? Very good. Hello, Thomas. Good morning. Hello, Maria Jose. Hello again. Very good. Excellent. Who else is waiting for the science class? Let's see. Hello to everyone. We are going to begin. Okay, let's see. Excellent. Hello, Mariana. Good morning. How are you? Great. Okay. Diego Alfonso. Hello. Hello, Felipe. Hello, hello. Very good. Okay, I'm very happy to be here again with you. Today we are going to learn and we are going to talk about a very important topic. A very important topic for our planet, for the nature, for our health too. So let's begin. Ricardo, hello. Hello, Ricardo, welcome. Hello, Pipe, welcome. Very good. Carlitos, Alejito, Samuel. Samuel, what happened? Are you hurt or something? Juan Jesus, hello. Very good. So let's begin. Hello, Fede, welcome. Hello, everyone. So today we are going to talk about the 3 R's. Oh, 3 R's. 3 words that are very, very important and begin with the letter R. So I'm going to teach you those 3 important words. Remember that during the past lessons, we were talking about materials. Yes, we talk about wood, about plastic, about paper, about metal, glass, and fabric, right? We were talking about all those materials. So let's see what happened with those materials when we already used them. When we finished using them, what happened with those materials and why? Hello, Camila, welcome. And why the 3 R's are so important. Today, we are going to work in the Cuadritos notebook. We are going to use the Cuadritos notebook a little bit later. So, have your notebook ready for later. First, let's talk about the 3 R's. The 3 R's. Do you want to know what the 3 R's are? Okay, the 3 R's are 3 very important words. The first one is reduce. Reduce. Repeat, reduce. Very good. I'm going to explain what reduce means. The second one, number 2, is reuse. Reuse, they are very similar. Reduce, reuse. Very good. Reuse. And number 3, word number 3 with the letter R is recycle. Recycle. Very good. Everyone repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle. These 3 are the 3 R words. Reduce begins with the letter R, reuse begins with the letter R, and recycle begins with the letter R. But they are very, very important words because we can help our planet. What is the name of our planet? Planet Earth, right? We have to take care of our planet. And with these three words, doing these three things, we are going to help our planet. Okay, so let's begin with the first one, with the word reduce. Reduce. It means to use less, to reduce the use. I'm going to explain. For example, there is something that we use. Hello, Juanita. That we use daily. What is this? Yes, you're right. Water. What do we use water for? We use water when we take the shower in the morning. We use water when we wash our hands every day. We use water to cook. We use water to cook food. And we use water to drink. What else? We use water to wash the dishes, right? To wash the plate, to wash the glass, to wash the spoon, the fork, the knife, to wash the dishes. We use water to wash the car, for example. We use water every day and we use it a lot, but we have to take care of water. How can we take care of water? Do you know? For example, when we brush our teeth, right? We use water to brush our teeth, right? So we have to turn off the water while we are brushing our teeth. We cannot let the water to flow. We turn off the water because we have to take care of the water, and we have to reduce the use of water. Reduce. When we are taking the shower, it must be a short shower. We cannot stay in the bathroom like, singing and for hours under the warm water. But no, we must take short showers. We have to reduce the use of water. So, what is the idea here? We have to take care of water. Reduce the use of water, okay? So we are going to put the water here, reduce. And now we are going to take our notebooks and we are going writing while we are explaining. Take your notebooks. And in a new page, we are going to write a title. We are going to write the 3 R's. This is going to be the title for our activity for today. So I'm going to use the purple marker. You can use your pencil or any color that you want. And we are going to write the title, the 3 R's, okay? So in your notebook, get ready. Remember, use the lines, the cuadritos lines from your notebook. So the first word that we're going to write is the. The, okay? So we begin with capital letter T, capital letter T, letter H, and letter E. The, Very good. Now, another word, in this case, a number. So we are going to let a little space here, and we are going to write number 3. The 3. Okay. And we are going to write a capital letter R. We are going to let a space here, capital letter R, capital letter R, a little apostrophes here, and letter S, the 3 R's. The 3 R's, that's the title for our activity, our science activity, the 3 R's. And we are going to begin with the first one, number 1. What is number 1? Reduce. So here I'm going to use a different color. If you have a different color, you can use a different color, or just with your pencil, it's okay, okay? I'm going to write number 1, and the word reduce, reduce. So let's write letter R, capital letter R, letter E, letter D, letter U, letter C, and finally letter E. Reduce, reduce, reduce. So we are going to draw the first thing that we are going to reduce the use. Reduce the use of water. Reduce the use of water. So we are going to draw reduce water. We are going to take shorter showers. We are going to turn off the water when we are brushing our teeth. We are going to take care of water. Okay? Very good. Let's see what else it is important to reduce. Reduce. Let me show you something. Okay. Electricity. Electricity, not just the light, but electricity. We must reduce electricity. How can we reduce the use of electricity at home? For example, if we are not in our room, we must turn off the light. We are not using that room. There's nobody in that room. We must turn off the light. Or if we are not using the computer, or if we are not using the TV, if nobody is watching TV, if nobody is using the computer, we must turn off the computer, turn off the TV to save electricity. That will help our planet. So this is number 2 for reduce, electricity. So we are going to paste electricity here, and we are going back to our notebook, and we are going to draw the light bulb to represent electricity. Reduce the use of electricity. I'm going to use a black marker or blue marker, it's okay, okay. And we are going to draw the light bulb. So we're going to make and we can color it with a yellow color. And we are going to save electricity. We are going to reduce the use of electricity. Okay. Got it? Very good. Okay, we have one more. Okay. Why do you think Miss Caro has this picture of a car? How can we help the planet by reducing the use of the car? Okay, too many cars in the cities. There are too many cars, and they pollute the planet, right? So we need to use the cars in a very smart way. So the car must take many people as possible, not just one person, but at least 2, 3, or 4 people in one car, not just one person. And if we can, if it's possible, not to use the car, we can walk or we can use the bicycle, right? To avoid pollution. So if it's possible, we need to reduce the use of cars. There are too many cars in the cities, too many cars. So we need to reduce the use of so many cars. So let's put the car here. Okay, and go back to your notebook, and we are going to draw a car. Okay, you can color your car later, and I'm sure you are going to draw a nicer car than mine. Okay. So we are going to reduce the use of water, electricity, and cars. We can help our planet by reducing the use of these three elements. Okay, we can replace the car with the bicycle or by walking, right? Sometimes the car is necessary, sometimes, but some others we can have a little walk or take out the bicycle, right? Very good. So these three elements are very important and we need to reduce the use of them. Great, very good. So this was the first word, reduce, reduce. Now let's go to word number 2. Reuse, reuse, to use again and again. We can use some objects again and again, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. That means reuse, to use several times, not just 1 time, many, many times. For example, okay, what is this? Clothes. Very good. So when a t-shirt or some pants or socks or any piece of clothing is too small for us, we can give that cloth to somebody else, right? If we have brothers or sisters, or if we have somebody that can use these clothes, we can give it to them. Not just throw the clothes, but give the clothing to somebody else that can use the clothing so they can reuse this, right? So, and sometimes we can use the fabric of the clothing, the fabric of the t-shirt, the fabric of the pants to build somebody else, something else, right? So clothes must be reuse, reuse. So go back to your notebooks and we are going to write word number 2, reuse. Number 2, reuse. Capital letter R, letter E, letter U, letter S, and letter E. Reuse. So we said that we can reuse clothes. So let's draw a t-shirt, okay? Oh, but it can be pants, shoes, socks, shirts, skirts, dresses, any type of clothing. So let's draw a t-shirt. Okay, so we can reuse clothes. Okay, What else can we reuse? Use again and again. For example, bags, right? So we try to use bags, for example, when we go to the supermarket to buy food or to buy clean supplies. So we need to reuse the bags. We can use bags like this one, right? So we try not to use plastic bags, but to reuse these type of bags. So we reuse the bags. Or if we have plastic bags, we reuse them again for the trash, or maybe to put some other things in the bags. We reuse the bags. Reuse the bags as many times as possible. Okay? So let's put the bag here. And let's make the drawing of the bag. And we can make the the bag. So we reuse the bags. Okay, what about this one? What is this? A box, right? The box. Sometimes when we go and buy a pair of shoes, right? Box. So when we buy shoes, or when we buy clothing, or when we buy something to eat, they gave us boxes. Boxes. And sometimes those boxes, we can use them again. We can use those boxes to put the toys inside, or we can use the boxes to put some pencils, to put the colors, to put anything that we want. So we can use again that box. So boxes, we can reuse it. Use it again and again. So let's paste the box here. And let's draw the box. So I'm going to draw a box. So this is a box that we can reuse. Reuse. It can be for something very different. For example, a box of shoes. We can use to reuse that box to put the toys, the Legos inside, or we can build something with that box. We can build a toy with that box. We can build a rocket with that box. We are reusing that object, that material. Reuse. Okay, so far we have learned that we need to reduce the use of water, electricity, and cars for pollution because of the pollution, and we can reuse some objects like clothing, bags, or boxes. Okay, on the next class we are going to continue talking about recycling, this very important word, recycling, and we can see what elements, what materials can we recycle and why is that so important? Okay, so we are going to stop here and we will continue on the next lesson. Okay, very good, sweetie. So see you tomorrow. Have a nice afternoon. Love you very much and see you very soon. Bye-bye.